Bring it all the way up.
A human cannonball. On there.
Well, before we initiate the countdown, we will give your human rocket, Tina Miser, a few more moments to conduct her final safety checks. While she is doing so, I'm going to share a couple fun facts with all of you. Now, being shot out of the cannon is a family affair in the Miser family. It all started with Tina launching her husband from the cannon. A little bit too monotonous for her, just a little bit too monotonous. She decided she wanted a piece of the action as well. Now Tina, her husband, and their daughter are all human rockets, but Tina and her daughter are currently the only female human rockets in the entire world. Let's get a Yes! Now, it is said that astronauts experience a G-force of around 3 Gs during liftoff. Tina will be launched out of the cannon at over 65 miles per hour in half a second, making it a G-force of around 7. That is the same G-force pilots feel flying an F-16 fighter jets. Now Tina has made her way up the barrel, and the barrel is being raised into position before she is shot over 100 feet across the green, and hopefully safely into her airbag. Here we go. Timing and positioning are absolutely crucial. Even the smallest detail comes into play at this time. Tina is making her final calculations. And we have a thumbs up. Let's get a round of applause going. A proper send-off for your human rocket, please. All right. We wish you luck, Tina. As she makes her way down, I would like to note the blast of the cannon will be loud. So if you have sensitive hearing, make sure to cover up those ears before we start the countdown. At this time, however, we ask for complete and utter silence so Tina can give her final cue to the ground crew. Hold for countdown, please.
I can't film and hold my ears at the same time.
Join in the countdown from
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Lift off! There she goes. Up to the Tina. And she is another fantastic by your human rocket.
That's weird though, those things went down really quick. Oh, it was hard enough for her to land. Sorry, I thought I shut this off.